Welcome back to my channel. So if you have been thinking, I want to invest in stock, but I don't want to select an individual stock, I don't want to take big risk, this is for you. This video is for you. So today we are talking about equity funds. So the equity funds is a way to invest in stock without losing a sleep. Not worrying about stock going up, coming down, because at the end of the day, is professionals, those who are very good with it, that will help you manage your portfolio. And guess what? You can start with as little as 5,000 naira. So stick with me. Let's see how 5,000 naira monthly investment can grow over time with equity fund. Equity funds are the type of mutual funds that the managers pull different cash, different money from a lot of people and buy stocks. So these stocks they invest, this stock they invest in, they are professionally managed by professionals. Although some of them they include that their risk profile on the equity fund is very high. And once the risk is high, the return is high, will possibly be high. But there's also a possibility that you could lose part of your money. So if you are somebody like me who is chicken livered when it comes to investing in stock and everything, this video is for you. Because in this video, I'm going to show you how I invest 5,000 naira, just 5,000 naira that I don't need. Monthly investment, monthly 5,000 naira. They take it from your account to invest in stock, which is a high risk for high risk appetite people. And me, I don't have a high risk appetite, but 5,000 naira is something I can afford to lose. Let's see how you can do it yourself. What makes this equity fund perfect for investors with low risk appetite like you and I? Number one, you don't need to be a stock market expert. Number two, your money is spread across multiple companies, so it reduces your risk. Number three, the fund managers handles everything for you. So think of it's like a basket of stock. So even if one company struggles, the others will balance it out. So that's how it is. How much do you need? Well, for this investment, you don't need a large millions of naira. You just need 5,000 naira. Many investments, many firms many fund managers allows you to invest with just 5,000 naira. For the purpose of this video, I will assume that you'll be investing 5,000 naira every month. So let's see how you can turn 5,000 naira monthly into a bigger investment. Using the interest formula, here is how your investment can grow. After 1 year, you have 65,000. After 5 years, you have 416,000. But don't forget that this money, because the equity fund, sometimes some company share will blow up and you have a lot of interest in that, which it's possible you could also lose your money, but that money could double also. So that's the kind of risk that comes with the equity fund. It can increase, it can reduce. So you need to invest the money that you can afford to lose, but also there's a possibility that you can earn a bigger interest. So how do you invest? To start, you need to make sure you choose a reputable investment firm. There is a United Capital, FBN Quest, Stanbic, Afrivest, in fact plenty I can't even mention. But before you invest, I know that the past performance does not always determine that the future performance will be a lot better, but it's always important to check the history, see whether the graph is moving up or down, or is it moving zero. Check their record for the past how many years, how have they been doing, is it okay, then before you choose your fund manager. So to open an account, of course you need a utility bill. Some of them also accept maybe bank statement. You need an ID card and you need your BVN. So you need to choose equity fund. You need to set up automatic monthly contribution. And for those who are very low risk, balance fund is usually the best. You can check the other video I made about investing in shares without owning stock. So that's the best for people with absolutely low risk. So when you set up your automatic contribution every month, they will just take 5,000 from your account every month. So how do you make money from equity funds? It's simple. Capital appreciation, the value of the investment grows as stock price increase. You know, as the stock price increase, the value of your investment is appreciating. Then there's also dividends. Some of them pay dividends when the companies they invest in make profits. Then compound growth, the longer you stay invested, the more your return. A good fund in Nigeria can give you between 12 to 25% per year, which is better than keeping your money, you know, spending small money that you think is small. You think 5,000 is small, but it's something. So how do you balance risk? If you have a low risk appetite, you still want to invest in this. That's why I say you should start with just 5,000 naira. So you start small, only invest money that you can afford to lose, then invest money for a long time. It's not something you invest today, then 1 month, 30 days, you quickly go and take it. So I invest money you can afford to lose, because there is possibility you make profit. So you are taking risk, but the risk is not too much. That's what I mean. Then you need to also reinvest your dividends to make sure it's growing. So what do you think? Do you have a low risk appetite? Are you ready to start investing in equity funds? Then leave a comment down below. Let me hear you. Let me know that I'm not the only one with with low risk appetite. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and then subscribe for more video like this. Thanks for watching. Bye.